Hi, this is speaking section for pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's learn about food and drink. What is Mr. Taco's favorite food? My favorite food has a round surface with multiple slices. It also has delicious sauce and cheese on top of it. Oh, I know. It's pizza. What is Mrs. Octo's favorite food? My favorite food is a square or round cake eaten for breakfast with grooves that hold butter and maple syrup. Oh, I know. It's waffle. What is Mr. Taco's favorite drink? My favorite drink is a darkly colored that has a bitter taste and has a stimulating effect in humans, primarily due to its caffeine content. Oh, I know. It's coffee. What is Mrs. Octo's favorite drink? My favorite drink is a whitish liquid containing proteins, fats, and various vitamins and minerals that is commonly produced by a cow or a goat. Oh, I know. It's milk.